This is by far one of the best Air Jordan 3s that we've seen in recent memory, and they're starting to sell out in most places. So if you plan on buying the shoe on the aftermarket, beware of the fakes, because they're definitely out there. Yo, what's going on folks? Retrospective Dave here, and in this video we'll be legit checking the Air Jordan 3 Craft in the white ivory colorway. So first, you want to make sure that you have a woven footbed with cell threading. You also want to make sure that you have red lines on the footbed. Notice that the red lines on this pair are very faint. Some of the fake pairs will have red lines as well. However, on the fake pairs, the red lines are much darker and much thicker than those on the authentic pair. Next, you want to make sure that you have Dreamcell inserts. This particular pair does not have the men to women size conversion like other Jordans do. So if you remember this small detail, then it can help you avoid being scammed. So the factory code on this pair reads VW1 and it was produced in Vietnam. Because it was a general release, some shoes might have a different factory code. Unfortunately, I do not have any knowledge of what those factory codes are at the moment, but feel free to leave your factory code in the comment section if it's different from VW1. If you're buying this shoe brand new, then your sizing stickers should be placed below the Jumpman. I know sometimes stickers can fall off or they can easily be removed. However, I think the standard for this particular shoe is for the sizing tag to be placed below the Jumpman. So the production dates that you see here on screen may not reflect the ones that you see in person. However, your production date should be the same on your left and right shoe. In the event that it's not, that doesn't mean that your shoe is fake. However, it is becoming a standard that both your left and right shoe share the same production dates. So even though the heel tab has both Jordan and Nike branding, the Ivory Craft Jordan 3 has Jordan branding on the outsole. If you remember the Fire Red Denim 3 from 2020 or 2021, that shoe also has a double branding on the heel tab. However, on the outsole, it has the Nike branding. So when you're authenticating the Ivory Jordan Craft 3, make sure that you note this difference for authentication. Moving on to the box, once you open up the box, you will see two red stamps going along the wall of the box lid. You will have one YDM sticker inside of the box. One piece of elephant print paper is included, and the official colorway for this shoe is ivory, gray, and mist cream. If you got something useful out of this video, definitely hit the like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. Until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.